Welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. Today I'm going to tell you about the cookware set. So let's start it. The first one is Cuisinart MCP 12 and Multicolate Pro Stainless Steel 12 pieces cookware set. Polished cooking surface does not discolor, react with food or alter flavor. Cookware also feature cool grip handle secure with stainless steel rivet and self-basting tight fitting lid. Triple Ply Construction include the unsurpassed bead conductivity of a pure aluminum core. It ensures maximum heat retention and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spot. Oven safe up to 550 off. Rims are tapered for drip-free pouring. Dishwasher safe, tight fitting stainless steel cover seal in food neutral juices and nutrition for healthier, more flavorful result. Cover or dishwasher safe. 12 pieces cookware set. The set of consists of 1, 2, 2 and 3/4 covered saucepan, 8 and 10-inch open skillet, 3.5/4 covered saucepan, 8/4 covered stockpot, steamer insert with a lid. 12 pieces total. Professional Triple Ply Construction feature a core of pure aluminum and brushed stainless exister suitable for use with the indicator cooktop. Drip-free pouring, rim tight fitting, cover seals in moisture and nutrients for health, more flavorful result every time you cook. Include components. 12 pieces set. The next one is Royal Cajun non-stick cookware pots and pans set. 12 pieces pumpkin orange. Set includes 1/4 and 3/4 saucepan with a lid, 3/4 stock pot with a lid, 8.5 inch and 10 inches frying pans, 3/4 salt pan with a lid, salted turner and spoons. Non-stick pots and pans are Royal are crafted with durable aluminum and sturdy hard enamel pro-clean exteriors to stand up to boys' kitchen. Cookware set feature express colored PFOA free non-stick for effortless food release and easy cleanup. The 12 pieces non-stick cookware set boosted durable retrieve rubberized stainless steel handle and shatter resistance glass slides. Include salted turner and spoon. Oven safe to 400° F. These versatile pots pan are suitable for all top expect induction. The next one is Royal Cajun hard andesite non-stick cookware pots and pans set. 12 pieces gray with blue handle. Cookware set include 1/4 and 2/4 saucepan with a lid, 6/4 salt pot with a lid, 8.5 inch and 10 inch frying pans and 3/4 salt pan with a lid and unstill. Durable hard andesite non-stick cookware. Hard andesite aluminum cookware provide fast even heating, long-lasting PFOA free non-stick, offer easy food release and cleanup. Shatter resistance glass lid. Comfortable dual riveted silicone over stainless steel handle have a warm earthy hue. Shatter resistance glass lid have a white stainless steel rim. Oven safe, dishwasher safe cookware. Oven safe to 400° F. The pot have pan are suitable for all cook pots, expect induction and are conveniently dishwasher safe. Oven safe, dishwasher safe cookware. Oven safe of 400 expect induction and are more conveniently dishwasher safe. Lifetime limited warranty. Lifetime limited warranty cookware set that make a handsome addition to Cajun collection, server and dinnerware. That's all for now. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.